mea de alegeri și așa este cine trebuie. Păi, logic, prietene, că este cine trebuie. Dacă tu te-ai dus la grătară, altul s-a dus la film, altul s-a dus o pută pe măsa, pula mea, normal că nu s-a dus nimeni să voteze, s-a dus doar electoratul PSD. Gata, mă, accident în fața mea.
Oi, ai eu. Ai eu. Ai eu. Wow! Fucking hell.
Someone who's still under 524, if you're eligible to get Chase cards, it doesn't really make sense to pick up these American Express cards until after you're done with Chase. But there's a very limited amount of people and situations where I think it makes sense to lose and to burn one of these Chase slots. For me, I just don't want people burning themselves.
Still work to be done.
Okay, that is.
End of. Product review.
Brilliant. Okay. What else should we do? Should we talk about some readers' emails?
Yes,
listeners'
that sounds
emails
good.
even.
Readers. Yeah, we got a really good haul of listener emails. These are people who've sent their thoughts, questions, or comments to anything at frontendchatter.com.
Good lads. Right.